The best time to engage leads is when they are demanded. So, hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So, in this video, we are going to learn that whenever a new lead is generated via Facebook lead ads, how we can automatically create task in Meester Task. So, let's take an example that you are a business owner and you have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So, whenever someone clicks on those ads, automatically a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically a new task should be created in your Meester task and it should be assigned to one of your team members so that they can follow up with the customer and they can convert the lead into a customer on time, which will ultimately promote your business. For that, we need to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Meester task. So in this particular integration, we are using Meester task, which is a project management application where we can create and manage our task. So in place of Meester task, we can even use Asana, ClickUp, Monday.com or any other task management software. So how we are going to create the integration between Facebook lead ads and Meester task, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my Facebook page named ABX Instrumental Shop. On this particular page, I am running Facebook lead ads. Okay, this is my Facebook lead ad form where I have asked for the full name, email address and phone number of the customer. And this is my Meester task project name ABX Instrumental where I don't have any open task over here. So now I want that whenever this Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically a new task should be created into my Meester task account. So I'm just going to fill up the form details over here. Let us give the full name as Adam Smith. Let's give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. And let's add the phone number over here. Let's click on next. Submit. Okay, and here we can see that the form has been filled. Now let us check our Meester task account. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here we can find a new task created. I'm just going to open this task. New lead received. Please contact as early as possible. Lead details, name Adam Smith, email address and the phone number. And here we can see the task name as Adam Smith Facebook leads. And this particular task is assigned to Ashmita over here. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled the Facebook lead ad form over here and automatically a new task is created into my Meester task account and it is assigned to a specific member. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Meester task, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with Meester task automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the lead through the Facebook lead ad form submission. And using those details of the leads, automatically a new task will be created into the Meester task. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Meester task using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your free account from this sign up free button. And in this account, you will get 100 tasks free every month. So as I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Facebook lead ads to Meester task integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically a new task should be created into the Meester task account. So for that, open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay, now the Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here you have to select your Facebook page name. So I'll just take you to my Facebook page. Here I have created a Facebook page named ABX Instrumental Shop, and on this particular Facebook page I am running my Facebook lead ads. So I'm just going to select this particular page name over here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to find the same, that is ABX Instrumental Shop. Now here we have to select the lead ad form which we are running on this particular page. So I'll just show you my lead ad form also. So this is my musical instrumental inquiry form. So this is the form actually looks like, where I have asked for the full name, email address and the phone number of the customer. So we have to select this particular form here in Pabbly Connect. So as I have created some forms in this particular page, all the forms are captured over here. So I have to select the form, whichever form I want to capture the response. So I am selecting this particular musical instruments inquiry form over here. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to create a test lead on the name of a customer, just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So let's go to the Facebook lead ad form. Here we have to give the full name. So let us give the name as Shikha Arya. Let's give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Okay, and I'm just going to add her mobile number or the phone number over here. And let's click on next and submit. Thank you for inquiring us. Okay, so here we can see that the Facebook lead ad form is filled over here. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received and all the details of the lead is captured over here. Okay, when we scroll down here, we can find the full name, email address and the phone number of the lead. So now here I want to give you an important information, that here you can see that the data has captured immediately, but sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured over here immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. So now we want that using these details of the lead, automatically a new task should be created into the Meester task account. For that, come to this action window and here in the choose application, let us find Meester task. In the action event, we have to select create task. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So let us read the instructions given over here. You can find your access token by logging to your Meester task account. After login, go to this particular URL. Under personal access tokens, you can create. So I'm just going to open this particular URL in a new tab. Okay, let's move to the URL over here. And when we scroll down, here we can find the personal access tokens. So if you want to create a new token by clicking on this add button, a new token or a new API key can be generated, or else I'll just copy this particular token from here. Okay, I'm just copying it. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the same token over here. Okay, and let's click on save. And now the Meester task is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the project name. So I'll just take you to my Meester task account. So this is the dashboard of Meester task account. Here I have created some projects, that is my awesome project, Salesforce, ABX Instrumental. So I'll just open this particular project name, that is ABX Instrumental. And here you can see that I don't have any open task over here. So now I want a new task should be created over here in the open segment over here. Okay. So I'll just move back to Pabbly Connect. Here we are going to select the project name. Let us select it as ABX Instrumental. And here we have to select the section. So the section name over here is open. So we have to select this particular section over here, that is open. Okay. You can select the section as per your requirement. Now here we have to give a task name. So I want the task name to be created on the name of the lead, that is Shikha Arya. So I'm just going to give the task name as Shikha Arya over here. Let us map the name from Facebook lead ads data, and this was the name, and along with the name I'm just adding Facebook leads. Okay, so that I can just differentiate this particular lead from where I have captured this lead. Okay. Now here we have to give the assigned to, the assignee name, who is going to work on this particular lead. So I have created some members over here named Ashi and Ashmita. So I want Ashmita to handle this particular lead. So I'm selecting Ashmita. Okay. Here we have to give the task notes. So let us give the task note as new lead received. Okay. And along with this, I just want to mention that please contact as early as possible. Okay, and along with that, I'm just going to add the lead details over here. Let's add the name over here, and let's map the name from Facebook lead ads, and the name was Shikha Arya. After that, I'm just going to add the email address, and let us map the email address from Facebook lead ads, and this was the email address. And along with the email address, let us map the phone number also. For mapping the phone number, let's move to Facebook lead ads data, and here is the phone number. So let us map the phone number also. So we have entered the task notes over here. Now here we have to give the label ID. So I have already created some labels, that is Facebook lead, MailChimp lead, Salesforce lead. So this is my Facebook lead. So I'm just selecting this particular label. Okay. Here if you want to mention the due date, you can mention the due date over here. I don't want to mention, so I'm just leaving it as blank. Here you have to select the status. So I'm just selecting the status as open over here. Okay. So we have mapped all the details, and now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. So now let us check our Mr. Task account. And here we can find a new lead in the open section. I'm just going to open this particular lead. Here we can find new lead received. Please contact as early as possible. Lead details, name Shikha Arya, her email address as well as the phone number. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. So I'll just close this window. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, we have to create a test lead from the Facebook lead ad form submission. So I'll just move to the Facebook lead ad form once again. Here I have already filled the details on the name of Harshvardhan. Email address as harshvardhan123@gmail.com, and here I have mentioned the phone number also. Let's click on next and submit. Okay, and here we can see that the Facebook lead ad form is filled over here. Now let us check our Mr. Task, and I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here even after refreshing, we can't find the details of the lead or the task created over here, just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Okay, and here within some minutes I can find a new lead, Harshvardhan, Facebook leads. I'm just going to open this particular task. Here we can see a new task, Harshvardhan, Facebook leads, new lead received. Please contact as early as possible. Lead details, name Harshvardhan, email address and the phone number. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay. So first we have created an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the lead through the Facebook lead ad form submission. And using those details of the leads, automatically a new task is created into the Mr. Task account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and Mr. Task using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.